Okay, so these are the 5 strongest anime character who can literally defeat Sun Jin in the anime song level. So without time wasting, I'm starting the video. So I'm starting with number 1. Okay, so in the number 1, I'm gonna talk about One Punch Man main character Saitama. If you don't know this character, he's literally so strongest. I mean, if he punch anyone big one time, that guy gonna erase in this entire arc. Okay, so definitely that's why this guy called One Punch Man. If the one punch, if Saitama literally punch one time Sung Jinwoo going to be erased in this world. He's so strong, definitely. He has a speed, infinite strength, durability. He has many things. I mean, you can't touch him. If you literally punch One Punch Man guy, he literally don't react anything. He doesn't feel pain. He just literally punch one time. If he punch any character one time, he literally get character going to be erased. So if this Saitama definitely punch one time Sung Jinwoo going to be erased in this arc, and this is the fact. Now I'm gonna talk about number 2. Okay, so number 2 I'm gonna talk about Son Goku from Dragon Ball anime. Okay, so I know you know about Goku. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. I mean, Goku is so famous. Okay? I mean, just Goku without any using too much power can literally erase the Sung Jinwoo. I mean, okay, but I'm talking about so Goku with Ultra Instinct definitely going to beat Sung Jinwoo from Song level. Okay, I mean, if you don't know Goku with Ultra Instinct, I mean Ultra Instinct form is a Goku's strongest form. Okay, and Ultra Instinct has a god type of energy. Okay, so because of this power, I mean, if Goku use this power, Sung Jinwoo going to defeat easily. So definitely we can't literally underestimate. I'm not saying Sung Jinwoo is weak, but if you're talking about Goku with Ultra Instinct is a god type of power. Okay, and literally if Goku use this power, Goku can literally easily dodge attack. I mean, this if Goku use this power, Goku literally can dodge automatically. So you can't catch Goku, okay, with Ultra Instinct. So definitely if Goku hit one punch, again I'm talking about, okay, so Goku literally with Ultra Instinct, if catch one time, Sung Jinwoo going to be get definitely. I'm not saying Sung Jinwoo is weak, but comparison to Goku who has a god type of power, Sung Jinwoo going to be defeat. Okay, now I'm going to talk about number 3 is my favorite, definitely Satoru Gojo. Gojo is definitely side character of Jujutsu Kaisen, but definitely the main character of this anime is Itadori. But definitely for me, he is the main character because he has a more popularity comparison to Itadori. Okay, that's why I'm saying. So definitely Satoru Gojo has an infinite barrier, domain expansion, horror purple type of definitely god type of moves. Okay, if you use domain expansion is Gojo's strongest power ever. I mean if somehow a domain expansion Gojo use domain expansion and literally in front of Sung Jinwoo can't do anything. I mean, you can say Sung Jinwoo literally going to be just erase instant. Okay, in this power, Gojo definitely use easily Sung Jinwoo brain. Okay, and you can't do anything. Okay, you can't touch Gojo in this power. Okay, if Gojo use domain expansion, Gojo can do anything he wants. Okay, in just instant he can kill definitely Sung Jinwoo, so main character. Okay, I'm talking about. So yeah, at the end, if Gojo use his 100% power and use his domain expansion, definitely he going to be defeat Sung Jinwoo. Now I'm gonna talk about number 4. Okay, so in the number 4, I'm gonna talk about different anime character. The name of this guy is Ainz Gao. Okay, so he has a one type of magic. Okay, he literally his main power is the magic. Okay, this guy is great and insane. He has too much magic, and because so definitely this guy has so much magic. One magic name is the Geki Spin. If this guy use this power, definitely in one magic, definitely any character going to be guy. Anyone can to be guy. So definitely if this guy use Geki Spin magic, so definitely Sung Jinwoo going to be guy, definitely. Okay, and he has a time manipulation definitely technique as well. Okay, so because of time manipulation, he can literally freeze and get anyone. Okay, so definitely with this power, he can use Geki Spin and time manipulation. With this technique, Sung Jinwoo going to be defeat. So yeah, this guy is definitely unique in comparison to first time I saw this guy. Okay, I never seen this guy, but yeah, when I researched it, I talk about everything. Okay, when I research about this guy, so I saw something that this guy is stronger than Sung Jinwoo. I mean, he's not famous again, but yeah, definitely he has so many magic, and because of the stronger magic tricks, he can has a chance to defeat. I'm not gonna say 100%, but he has a chance to defeat Sun Jinwoo. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about number 5, and this character is also my favorite. Okay, so this is my most favorite anime character is Naruto with Baryon mode. If you don't know about Naruto, I mean, then definitely you are not an anime lover. Okay, if you are anime lover, if you are watching anime, you know what is Naruto. Okay, Naruto is a masterpiece. Okay, so Naruto has one strongest power in Boruto called Baryon mode, and with this Baryon mode, literally he can fuse his chakra into raw destruction force with Kurama. Okay, Kurama is definitely is a monster who has so many intense energy, and Naruto, the human guy, definitely use his power and use Kurama power to merge and create destructive force power called Baryon mode, and you can see on the screen images and videos. Okay, if Naruto use only Baryon mode, he can just 1-2 minutes, just takes time 1-2 minutes, he easily defeats Sun Jinwoo. I mean, Baryon mode is so intense, God type of power, you can say. Okay, I mean, Goku and Naruto has highly percentage, I mean, you can say 100% chances to defeat Sun Jinwoo. I mean, it's not just chances. Goku and Naruto, these are the both strongest character, and they are literally can easily defeat Sun Jinwoo. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about only Naruto in this point. Definitely, Baryon mode has one weak point. I mean, if Naruto uses Baryon mode, he has to lose some of his energy, I say age. Because of the Baryon mode, Naruto lose Kurama. Kurama is the monster. Because of Kurama, Naruto has this power. So this power has some weakness, but this power is so strongest. Okay, so definitely if Naruto use this power, Sun Jinwoo going to be defeated easily. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like that video. These are the 5 characters who can easily defeat Sun Jinwoo. Okay, and if you like that, you can subscribe to my YouTube. I'm gonna meet you in my next video. Tata, bye bye, and please subscribe if you like that video. Okay.